Hi everyone, this is Sadie. Today I will introduce my egg packaging's design and introduce how my design comes out. According to the story of the DPP company, they used to have a 40% off market. Recently, because of the breakage and the returns, their market share has decreased 2% off. To solve their problem, I will build my design by surrounding the three respect. Branding. My design should have the same DNA as my bio brand. Design style. Different from the branding. The egg packaging should have its own design style. It will different from the branding but has the same DNA. Construction. The design, the egg packaging should have a very strong construction to protect the eggs. This is my bio brand. It gives people a feeling of elegant, playful, and mystical. I will add these three feelings to my design. According to the collection of information about egg packagings, eggs, and customers, I have these three inspiration words: safety, embrace, and obvious. Safety is the first element of the egg packaging. Eggs should be safety during the shipping process, marketing process, selling process, and the purchasing process. Embrace. Hens always protect the chicken by opening their wings and embrace the chicken. I think my design should also embrace the eggs to protect them. Obvious. The egg packaging's function and usage should be very clearly and obvious to users. Combining the three inspiration word and the bio brand, I made this inspiration board. I showed my inspiration board to my partners, tried to find some good ideas. We did a brainstorm and built more than 60 ideas. We voted for these ideas and I chose 4 of the best ones. This is the first one. I made it by two pieces of foam cord. The egg is in the middle of it. It has a very big issue is that the egg is very difficult to take off. Also, it cannot pass the egg test, so I discard this idea. The second one is this one. I made it by use two pieces of foam cord. But during the test, I think this two part is very easy to separate. There's nothing to fix them together. To solve this problem, I added a lock on the edge and added the third layers. I also added some cotton inside to improve the safety. The third idea is inspired by the Beijing International Stadium. I like the construction of the building, so I made this mock-up. It also doesn't have a lock. To improve this problem, I added a lock by using a rope and added some cotton inside. The last idea, it comes from the bra. Because the bra is very soft and has a very special material, I changed the material of the mock-ups, used the foam. At first, it doesn't have a lid. When I drop it on the ground, the egg is very easy to jump out. To solve this problem, I added a lid of it. It used the same material of the inner layer, and I added some cotton to improve the safety. I bring these three ideas to school, find someone to help me to do a OBE research. According to the research and the feedback, I found some advantages and disadvantages of the three mockups. This one, it has the same DNA as my inspiration board, but it has no connection with my bio brand. It is very clear that it's egg packaging. It has a feeling of embrace and very safety. But when I drop it on the ground, the shape is very easy to roll anywhere. It will influence the safety. This one, people said this one has a very artistic shape, and it is very stable. It will not roll anywhere. The biggest issue of this one is the lock is very hard to open. Most of the people spend more than 30 seconds to open the package. Also, it doesn't have the same DNA as my bio brand. This one, when I showed it to people think this one is the most safety design among my 3 mockups because it is very soft. They think the outer is very interesting, and when they open it, it is very obvious how to take off the egg and put in the egg. The big problem of this one is the lid has the cotton on the top. The cotton is very easy to break. According to the feedback, I scored all of the 3 mockups, and I decided to use this shape as my final model. To improve the lid's problem, I improved the lid by changing the cotton into the lid. It will also protect the egg and will not very easy to destroy. Also, I add a handle on the top of it. The handle will make people more clearly how to open the lid and close it. The flower shape gives people a feeling of elegant, and the material is very playful. Also, because the flower is no connection with the egg, it is very mystical. So this is what I learned from the case study, and I got my final prototype. If you have any feedback or any problem, you can contact me by email me to dd3639899091@126.com or Instagram DUNDUNSHENG. Thank you.